Hey, how's it going? My name is Chris. You can search me up on Instagram or YouTube at shave_and_chat. Today, I'm here with the razor company to have a fantastic shave. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So for today's shave, I'm going to be using something that I've never used before. I'm going to be using the JMac blade for the first time. I need to give a big shout out to JMac within the community. That guy is amazing. Thank you so much for everything you do. Thank you so much for everything that you've taught me, as well as other newer wet shavers going down this road. You mentioned the JMac a bunch of different times, and I was like, hey, I have those. I gotta use them. Also, JMac, thank you. The last video that I watched, you used Tabacchi from Master Soap Creations in collab with the razor company, of course. And I thought, man, I love that stuff. I gotta use it too. And just like you, my friend, I've got the matching splash. Oh yeah. And if you guys have been following me along long enough, you know that over the last little bit, I've really gotten into fragrances. So I went through my collection. I wanted to find a cologne that would closely match the soap that I'm using today. So I'm going with Azzaro Most Wanted Parfum. This has that really warm, woodsy kind of smell to it. And I find it complements this soap very well. I'll be using the Simpson T3 knot, my very first knot. And like JMac, I wanted to use a titanium. Now I do not have the Aylesworth quite yet, but I do have the reliable TRC titanium. This thing is a beauty of a razor. All right, let's get the shave going with the leaf pre-shave oil. This is the only soap that has the tobacco scent within it, and I'm okay if it's the only soap I ever use with this scent. Oh, it's good. Oh, this soap is so good, man. Holy. Holy cow, I'm making a mess. All right, first pass with the grain. Here we go. You guys, I recommend Master Soap Creations by far. They're fantastic if you're looking for a good soap with a great scent to it. I'll leave the razor company link down below. Pick yourself up some soap and enjoy the shave. Okay, so that was a beautiful first pass. Let's get ready for that second one. Second pass. Here we go. Alright, that was a beauty of a second pass. Quick, easy, to the point. Let's get on with that third one and we'll finish off the rest of the shave. Alright, third and final pass. Let's go. Alright guys, that is the end of the shave. Let's go ahead, wash off the rest of this soap, and I'll talk a little bit about how it felt. Let's get in there with the Parker's Alum Block. Now I'll throw on some Thayers. And now I'll throw on some Master Soap Creations Tabacchi in collabs with the Razor Company. Guys, this smell is amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and finish off this entire shave with Azzaro Most Wanted Parfum. It's a beaut. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching that shave. It feels fantastic. Once again, thank you so much, JMac. As a matter of fact, thank you to the wet shave community for what you guys constantly do as far as trying to help each other out. I appreciate it so much. On that note, my name is Chris, here for the Razor Company. You make it a great shave, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.